One of the issues with WordPress a lot of times when people set up sites is that the password for the user is really, really long and complicated. So you'll have a sheet of login somewhere. We can make that password easier to remember if you go to login, so obviously you're going to need to know how to log in the first place. But once you log in, you can come down to users and click all users. And then this page will load that has all of the current users. You have to be logged in as an admin to be able to change anyone, but you should be logged in as an admin. If you click edit on the profile that's yours, so the one that you're currently logged in as, I mean, you can change any of them if you're an admin, but for this example, we're going to do the one that you're currently logged in as. And then here you can change a lot of stuff, but what's really important is if you scroll the whole way to the bottom, there will be this account management thing where it says new password, and you can click generate new password, and that it'll give you some random string of numbers and letters and different things that's really secure, but obviously nearly impossible to remember. So you need to enter a password that is much easier for you to remember. You can just type it right in there, and you see it'll kind of give you some notification on which passwords are strong enough. You definitely don't want to do anything that's less strong than strong. And then all you have to do is, I would copy that so that you have it, and then hit update user, and that password will be updated once the page refreshes. So we can try that out by, let's go ahead and log out and then put that admin username in. And then we'll put that new password in, which is much easier to remember. And you can hit login, and that should fix the issue of having to remember those really crazy long passwords for you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.